Oxidation stability. If your engine oil doesn't have it, deposits can build up on engine parts, which could lead to a shorter engine life. Oxidation thickens oil, reducing energy efficiency and fuel economy. Oxidation resistance is a core benefit of the API CK4 performance category. In modern engines, which run hotter to deliver enhanced emissions protection, improved oxidation resistance is more important than ever. Shell routinely conducts analyses to help us design future engine oils and put our products to the test against other brands. Recently, at an independent facility, we ran the Volvo T13, a grueling 360-hour high-temperature oil oxidation blind test. The test focuses on two standard measurements: kinematic viscosity at 40 degrees Celsius in the last 60 hours of the test, and oxidation by infrared spectroscopy. Viscosity stability is especially critical over the last 60 hours of the engine test. Through this testing, we discovered that a sample of Mobil Delvac 1300 Super 15W40 not only failed the requirements of API CK4, but also the Volvo VDS 4.5, Mack EOS 4.5, and the Cummins CES 20086 performance standards. Original equipment manufacturers demand tougher limits to prevent harm to equipment performance. We know you expect more from your engine oil. We spend countless hours of work, not only in the laboratory, but also in the real world, to help make sure the Shell Rotella heavy-duty engine oil that you purchase meets or exceeds all the required industry standards to provide the protection your engine needs. Learn more at Rotella.com.